We've all been there. You're on a shopping spree, or maybe you're a business owner paying a hefty invoice, swipe that Airwallex card with confidence, and decline. Panic sets in. Did the card get deactivated? Insufficient funds? Well, fret not, global citizen, because today we're diving deep into the world of Airwallex transaction limits. Hold on a sec, what exactly is Airwallex? For those new to the game, Airwallex is a financial tech company that empowers businesses to move money internationally with ease. They offer a variety of solutions, including virtual cards, international money transfers, and currency exchange. But with all this financial freedom, there has to be some boundaries, right? Types of Airwallex transaction limits. There are actually two main types of limits to consider with Airwallex. Deposit limits. This refers to the maximum amount of money you can deposit or receive into your Airwallex account. The good news? Most accounts don't have a deposit limit. However, there can be exceptions depending on your account type, location, and regulatory requirements. Transaction limits. This is where things get interesting. Transaction limits apply to how much you can spend on your Airwallex card in a single swipe or transaction. Here, Airwallex offers some flexibility. Default limits, built-in safety net. Airwallex has preset default transaction limits for each currency. These are like a safety net to prevent accidental overspending. For example, the default limit for USD transactions might be $10,000. But can I change them? Absolutely. The beauty of Airwallex is that you can customize these limits to fit your needs. Think of it like adjusting the spending limit on your regular credit card. You can increase the limit if you're expecting a large purchase, or decrease it for tighter control over your finances. How to find and adjust your limits. Finding your limits and making adjustments is a breeze. Just log into your Airwallex account and navigate to the cards section. Here, you'll see all your linked cards and their current limits. With a few clicks, you can raise or lower the limit for daily, weekly, monthly, or even set an overall spending cap. Beyond the basics, advanced limits. Airwallex goes a step further by allowing you to set additional spending restrictions. Imagine you only want to use your card for specific types of purchases, like travel or office supplies. With Airwallex, you can set up category-based limits to ensure your spending stays on track. Important considerations. While increasing your limits gives you more spending power, remember it's crucial to be responsible. Make sure you have sufficient funds in your account to cover any transactions. Exceeding your limits can lead to declined transactions and potential fees. Contacting Airwallex for support. If you have any questions about your limits or encounter any issues, Airwallex has a dedicated customer support team ready to assist you. Don't hesitate to reach out for clarification or help with adjusting your limits. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding Airwallex's transaction limits and how to manage them, you can unlock the full potential of your account and make informed financial decisions. So, go forth, conquer the world of international transactions, and spend wisely. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.